हेलो एंड वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड वाला। आई एम सुनो। दोस्तों, आई एम हियर विद माय स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैंने उनको एक फिल्म देखने बोला था, एक हॉरर फिल्म। मैं फिल्म का नाम भी नहीं लूंगा बिकॉज बहुत ही अलग अलग रिएक्शंस आ रहे हैं मेरे स्टूडेंट्स की तरफ से। चलिए डायरेक्टली आई विल जंप इनटू माय स्टूडेंट्स, इनटू माय पैनल। लेट मी बिगिन विद मरीटा। मरीटा, आपको ये फिल्म कैसे लगा यार, हेरिडिटरी?
Sir, I guess yeah, hereditary. Yeah, sir. I guess the first half of the film was almost about this family drama, but it still had very creepy scenes and very disturbing scenes. But
ओके
the second half of the movie, the sound was amazing. The cinematography was absolutely amazing. The climax was a bit disappointing, but I guess if you look it from a different perspective, usually लोगों को लगता है कि हॉरर में से वैसा घोस्ट फेस पे आए या लाउड म्यूजिक या फिर दिस अननेसेसरी स्केयर्स नहीं है फिल्म में। तो
ओके।
अगर अलग पर्सपेक्टिव से देखने जाएंगे तो दिस फिल्म वाज गुड एक्चुअली, बट आई एक्सपेक्टेड मोर ऑफ द क्लाइमैक्स, बट आई गेस द म्यूजिक एंड द एक्टर्स प्लेड वेल फॉर द फिल्म,
ओके,
सो या इट वाज।
बट मरीटा, आपको फिल्म अच्छा लगा कि नहीं? दूसरा पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं,
मुझे
आपका पर्सपेक्टिव से आपको कैसे लगा?
सर आई गेस इतना अच्छा नहीं था,
अच्छा,
बट
ठीक है।
इट्स अ वन टाइम वॉच।
It's a one-time watch. Okay, let me ask Kavya. Kavya seems to be smiling a little. I think smiles will disappear now when I ask her to speak about this film. How did you find the film, Kavya, Hereditary?
The film is quite creatively done. The direction, the sound of it, the cinematography, it's quite on point. It has all the ingredients to make a perfect horror film. Like, especially a horror, not in the sense that there is necessarily a possession of a ghost, but there
Mm-hmm.
is an eerie feeling and an entire good, like, the color scheme of it all really gives you the creeps almost while you're watching the entire film, and can jump scare you. The first half really gets you very engrossed, but it's like a very it's a slanting slope. You go all the way, you climb this really high mountain while you're watching the film, and the climax just drops the film altogether. So
Mm.
it ends up becoming a disappointing watch, especially when the acting is so good, the direction is perfect, but the story, the ending, it should have been, I don't know, we were just expecting a lot more. It really raised my expectations and ended up disappointing.
Okay, all right. शुभू, खाना खा रही थी पिक्चर देखते वक्त, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, अनुभव कैसे रहा आपका?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं था, क्योंकि मतलब सर कैसे था ना, फर्स्ट हाफ में जो था फिल्म, लाइक काव्या आल्सो सेड कि यू वर एनग्रॉस्ड, इवन दो आई फेल्ट फ्यू प्लेसेस की जहाँ पे मुझे लगा कि नहीं ये थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंटिंग था. फॉर एग्जांपल द एक्टिंग, आई डिड नॉट फाइंड द एक्टिंग टू बी रियली नाइस. ओनली द लिटिल गर्ल हु प्लेड चार्ली, आई लाइक्ड हर एक्टिंग अ लॉट, बट अदर पीपल, even when her mother loses her mother, ki she's describing what happened and how she's feeling and all of that, I could not connect with her. The way she was, जैसे वो बात कर रही थी, उनके facial expressions वगैरह थे, मुझे बुरा नहीं लग रहा था. इनफैक्ट मुझे हंसी आ रही थी कि why is she talking like this. Throughout the film I felt that her acting could have been better. Other people also, Peter who played, I forgot his name, Alex Wolff. Sorry, Alex Wolff. Yeah, he did such a great job in Jumanji also. Even in this film, during the start, I felt कि थोड़ा okayish है, but then later on he started picking up the pace. And the father, he did not have that big of a role, or he did not have that much screen time. But the story was also ठीक है, okayish, nothing great. But sir, I felt like everybody, even Kavya and Marita mentioned, the climax is very disappointing. Even if it would have had something like an exorcism in the end of the film, like typical horror movies, it would have been better. Genuinely
Okay.
speaking, it would have been better. But the ending that they gave, it is very disappointing. It did not make any sense. I could not draw parallels कि movie में जो दिखाया और end में क्या हुआ. I could
Okay.
not connect it.
Okay. सारा, डर लगा आपको?
Not at all, sir. Like itna sa bhi डरने लगा. And there was one scene, me and my brother bursted out laughing at that scene. Can you believe it? Like the
Which scene
scene
was
where
this?
someone was pulling Peter's head while he was asleep, and his
Uh-huh.
mom enters the room, and he was accusing his mom that why were you pulling my head while I was sleeping. That was so funny. We bursted out laughing, and it was like nothing scared me. Like nothing really scared me, and it was more of a like what I would say a paranormal movie rather than a horror movie, because there was nothing like horror in the movie, honestly.
Okay.
Like, they were just dead bodies and blood and killing. That's it. It wasn't horror for me.
Okay. Janvi, what about you? How did you find the film?
Honestly saying, it was scary because maybe I can't take horror films in a small action and it can make me feel afraid. So it was like many scenes, and plus I was watching it alone, so it was more scarier for me. And
Okay.
especially the background score and the direction, I loved it.
Hmm.
Like it actually freaked me out, especially the background scores and the lead role. I guess Annie, she was the lead. So it was I liked her acting.
Okay.
That was a great.
Okay. Nikita, you are a fan of horror films. How was this one?
Honestly, it started off well for me, and
Okay.
I was, like others said, I was also engrossed in the beginning. The first half was good. I was expecting the ending to be much better than what it actually was.
Okay.
The ending was totally disappointing for me,
Hmm.
and that's what it is for me about horror films. You know, I've watched a lot of horror films, but if it does not have a good ending, it just ruins the whole film for me.
And that
So
is what
that's
happened
what
in this
happened.
film.
Yeah, that is what happened in this film. Otherwise, I mean, there should have been a better story. They started off so well. They could have had, there was a larger scope for multiple different choice of endings, but the one that they picked was not the correct choice.
Okay.
So yeah, that was disappointing for me. Other than that, there were some scary scenes right from the beginning. I mean, the first time she sees her mother's apparition, that was quite scary for me, gave me the chills. Like that, some scenes were scary, but and when, especially when the daughter died, I really wanted to know what happens ahead and how they're going to take the story ahead. But the ending was not, did not do it for me.
So the ending disappointing my students a lot. Marita, acting की बात करें, how did you find acting performances of every single actors in this film?
Yeah, sir, I love the acting of the little girl, you know.
Okay.
Her name is, I guess, Millie.
Okay.
She played the character Charlie. She creeped me out completely, you know. Her acting was so good, you know. There are these characters, you know, they are always on your mind, you know. अगर आप घर पे अंदर चल रहे हो तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि हाँ ये सामने खड़ा है, जैसे नन, एनाबेल, ये सब कैरेक्टर्स। वैसे वो कैरेक्टर आई गेस मेरे दिमाग में भी बैठ गया है कि मुझे अगले टाइम उसको देखने नहीं होगा। And obviously the mother, you know, Annie, Toni Collette, I guess
Toni
her
Collette,
name is. Yeah, she also did it well. Like Shubhu said, first half में थोड़ा उसका connect नहीं कर पा रहे थे, but second half में उसने पूरा she did it absolutely amazing. She played it well, I guess. इन दोनों के अलावा I didn't like anyone किसी और का acting because उन लोग का इतना part ही नहीं था फिल्म में. इन दोनों पे ही ज्यादा था वो. I guess अच्छा किया इन लोगों ने, काफी अच्छा.
Okay, okay. Kavya, one moment that really scared you in this film?
It was a death scene that's there in the very, like, you know, at the intermission part of the film.
Okay.
The death, a proper accidental death that scared.
Okay, that was the only one. Okay, all right. And what about acting performances? You liked everyone?
The acting performance was great. So actually, you know what's happened with this film? It's like, you know, you went out for a 5-star meal, you had a great meal, but at the end of it, you had a spoonful of salt. You really can't then later start describing how the meal was, because the ending really left you like off your course completely. It wasn't that it was difficult to comprehend. There was no, like, you know, समझने वाली बात ही नहीं थी. It was just that its reason and its purpose just did not come through. The story did not knit together. So the whole everything, the film has all great ingredients in it. It has great acting, it has great direction, and the lead actress, I mean, you can't cast anyone better for a role to genuinely come across with such deep psychological, you know, trauma, to come so real. You can see it in her face, and I've never seen someone, you know, in just like one, like, such a good close-up shot, like, to feel fear in her eyes. Like, that was so realistic. And then when she started to believe in something and was like, you know, she was feeling unreal, even you started to feel for her a lot. So like, it wasn't that the acting was bad or something, it was just the ending that has left you off course of the film.
Okay, all right. Shubhu, what was the most scariest case scene that you saw in the film?
ऐसे तो सर थे काफी, even though I mentioned earlier that the story could have been a little better and it was okayish, but yeah, definitely there were many scenes, even though I don't have that in me to watch horror films and I can't sit through, but this film did not scare me a lot, but yeah, there were many instances where I was like, oh no, ye kya ho gaya. Like Kavya also said, the scene where the daughter dies, then in the end when she kills herself, the mother kills herself, वो सबके इसके टाइम पे it was, God, it was very
Okay.
scary for me.
Okay. सारा, आपको कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगा इसमें? एक हॉरर सीन भी नहीं था आपके लिए?
Only the daughter's death scene. I think
Achha,
it
that was
was.
it.
I think it was horrible. I mean, I couldn't watch it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Nikita, I remember you using the word bizarre. A lot of bizarre sequences for you as well.
Yeah. A lot of bizarre sequences, but one scene that actually scared me was when Peter is standing in his room and I could just see like a very faint shadow of Annie on the wall, and that was really scary for me because I mean I was not expecting it. It was not a jump scare, but that was really creepy. That was a very creepy scene.
I remember watching this movie long while back, and there is this scene where ball drops on the floor and it turns into a head or something. Is that
Yeah.
from this
Yes.
film? Okay.
Yeah.
That was quite scary for me. Janvi, एक्टिंग कैसा लगा? बाकी सब लोग का सब कुछ अच्छा लगा आपको इसमें?
Acting was good. In one of the scenes, Peter actually, I guess he was sitting in his school and then suddenly he starts banging his head on the bench.
Yeah.
And I was like, what are you doing? And then he was scared himself, like, oh my god, what was I doing? So that was kind of, I freaked out that moment.
Okay, all right. चलो guys, जाने से पहले मरीटा कितना स्टार्स देंगे आप इस फिल्म को?
Sir, I would give 3 stars.
3 stars. Okay, not bad. Kavya?
I would give 3 stars because just the ending was off.
Just the ending,
That's
too
not
much
good.
salt. किसी ने ज़्यादा salt
Too much
sprinkle कर दिया ending में. Nikita, how many stars?
2.5.
2.5. Sarah, how many stars for making you laugh?
I'll give it a 2-star. I feel like the ending could have been a game changer for this movie, but
It had a
It
lot of
couldn't do much.
potential.
unfortunately, yeah. So 2.
Okay. It's Shubhu? How many stars?
But 2.5.
2.5. Okay. Janvi, what about you?
So 3 stars because it scared me.
Okay, it's scared Janvi. Okay, mixed reviews coming in. दोस्तों, अगर आपने देखा Hereditary तो लिखकर बताना आपको ये फिल्म कैसे लगा. Netflix पर है. चलिए, for the moment, टाटा from all of us.
Bye.